Make a great choice today with 2012 Acadia. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, dual power mirrors, rear wiper. Inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, OnStar Communication System, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power driver's seat, tilt steering wheel, cloth upholstery, front bucket seats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.